You literally tried to swerve into him and he's got a girl on the back. That's attempted murder. Come on, you want to get out of your car? Why you stop, bro?
Buckle up because you're about to witness the craziest road rage ever, and it even goes as far as attempted murder. The filming biker was just cruising when he noticed the car ahead driving weird. It changed lanes pretty close to another rider and then did the unthinkable. Suddenly, the car passed the rider way too close for no apparent reason. So to keep things calm, the biker with the dash cam merged between them to create distance. But this was just the start. He moved into the right lane and signaled a question to the other biker like, "Yo, what's going on?" But then it got wild. The other rider had his girlfriend on the back and tried to pass the car to get away from the reckless dude. But the driver swerved right on purpose, nearly hitting them. The rider threw up his hand in frustration, but the driver kept tailing them on purpose, dangerously close and totally reckless. And just when things seemed to settle, they slowed down for a left turn and boom, it escalated again. The driver acted like he did nothing wrong and even tried to justify. That's when the biker snapped and screamed louder than ever.
Bro, why? Can I ask you why you're trying to kill us?
I could drive like
on camera, bro. No, you literally tried to swerve into him and he's got a girl on the back. You dumb mother. That's attempted murder. Get the out of here.
driving like a weed.
Yeah, it's me driving like a when you're trying to kill a girl. What did we do that you're upset about, bro? Honestly.
You driving like an
I didn't try to kill you, did I?
Go yourself.
Go yourself. Come on, you want to get out of your car? Why you stop, bro?
What are you gonna do?
I'm trying to figure out why you're trying to kill some girl.
Because you
I'm
guys,
trying to figure it out.
And those guys, you're driving like a
no, who's driving like an
You're driving
You're
like
trying
a
to no reason, bro.
We're the opposite lane.
You're driving like a
You're trying to murder somebody for no reason.
What are you talking
When we didn't
about?
impact you, you tried to swerve into them on
talking
the
about?
You swerved to the right of the road when they're on the
What
side.
talking about?
You slowed down. I got you on camera and I'm
That's okay. You go do what you gotta do.
Yeah, I will.
Stop driving like an
You stop driving like an
And honestly, can't blame him. This guy nearly caused a serious crash and didn't even care.